Welcome to Profitably Smart, your hub for mastering AI tools, education hacks, and side hustles. Want to save time, boost productivity, and even make some extra cash? In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools in 2025 that are transforming the way we work and learn. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur, these tools are game changers. So stick around till the end to find out how you can use them to your advantage. Let's dive in. Starting off with ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI-powered assistant can do it all, whether you need to draft emails, brainstorm ideas, or write an essay. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works 24/7 to help you craft clear, professional content. Plus, there's a free version to get started, and the paid plan unlocks even more advanced features. Trust me, it's like having a creative team in your pocket. Next, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion has always been a productivity powerhouse, but with AI, it takes things to the next level. It can summarize long notes, generate to-do lists, and even help brainstorm ideas for your next big project. Perfect for freelancers, students, and small business owners looking to save time organizing their workflow. Coming in at number 3 is Grammarly. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who writes anything: emails, reports, or even social media posts. It checks for grammar, spelling, and clarity while also suggesting tone adjustments. Grammarly's free version is great, but the premium plan? Worth every penny if you're a professional or student looking to polish your writing. For all the creative minds out there, we have DALL.E 3. This AI tool by OpenAI creates stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Whether you need artwork, social media graphics, or unique designs, DALL.E 3 has got your back. It's perfect for anyone on a budget who still wants high-quality visuals without hiring a designer. And finally, Otter.ai. If you're tired of taking meeting notes or manually transcribing interviews, Otter.ai has your back. It creates accurate, real-time transcripts that you can search, share, and edit. It's perfect for professionals, students, and journalists looking to save hours of typing. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can save you time and money. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips and tricks to supercharge your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.